Para lang mas maging natural yung blush.
Christmas shopping.
Memories na!
It's time to shoot my first layout.
Done with my letter.
Okay. So, sabi mo,
Hi guys! So, good morning. It's currently 8:53 a.m. and it's my birthday! And we're here in Plaridel, Bulacan kasi I'm gonna shoot my birthday photos here. The squad is here. Neil is here, Joy is here, my sister, sila mommy and daddy. So yeah, let's see kung ano mangyayari today. Nakalive ba to? Cake.
Ang laki pala nila. Hello!
Okay, I'm done getting dressed. And now, it's time to shoot my first layout.
Yan.
Kaya mo medyo i-fasting katawan.
Dito nga mas...
Yeah.
Yan! Tingnan ko na yun.
Kaya mo hawakan yung sunog. Yeah, okay yan. Okay. Nice.
Yun, perfect.
Yan, ang ganda.
Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere. 아름다워.
Dapat sa yung pala ang dinala natin yung... Ano to?
Yan, tas may araw.
Gusto ka, yan. Ay, may araw lang yung mukha niya. May araw yung sa kamay na.
Nicole ka masyal mag-leave.
Okay guys, nagmamadali ako right now kasi may Christmas party akong attendan. Hindi ko pa na-wrap yung gift ko. Wait. Ito pa siya kasi in-order ko siya online. Hopefully tama to guys kasi hindi ko pa nga siya nabubuksan. So, wait, mabilis lang to. Nasa labas na sila. We have to leave in like 5 minutes. So, yung Christmas party na attendan ko today, it's with my DLSE friends. So, meron kami exchange gift. And yung nabunot ko, hindi ko sure kung ito talaga yung nabunot ko kasi mahilig siya sa film, sa camera. So, in-assume ko na magugustuhan niya na to. Can you guys see? Yay! Tada! I got him this Kodak film camera. Yung M35. Actually, meron ako nito before. Yung yellow one. And meron na din siyang kasamang film camera. Perfect. Oh my gosh, wala akong pan-tape. Hold on. Ito siya. It says, Merry Christmas. Tada! Okay. Dadala na ako ng cards because I have to buy pa yung mga small gifts ko sa iba kong friends. Okay, magpapalit ako ng damit. I'll just see you guys sa mall.
Time check, it's 3:21 p.m. We got our cards. So after neto guys, diretso na kami sa friend ng house namin kasi dun gaganatin yung Christmas party.
Friend ng house namin or house ng friend namin?
Friend ng house namin. House ng friend namin. We just grabbed coffee kasi inaantok na kami guys kahit 3 p.m. pa lang. But yeah. Hindi lang ang ballpen. Okay, well, we're all
Paliit.
Oh no! I wonder.
Oh my God!
Hindi na.
Let's go!
Memories na!
Ay, start na naman.
today's another day. It's December 29 and it's currently 6:04 p.m. Meron ulit tayong Christmas party with friends, but this time we are hosting it dito sa house. Ayun, hindi ko pa na-wrap yung mga gifts ko sa kanila. Kasi sobrang sunod-sunod yung ganap. So ngayon pa lang ako mag-wrap, guys. Alam kong malapit na sila, pero kaya natin to. Meron din kaming small gift exchange. Yung uso ngayon na ihagis nyo lahat, gano'n. But pare-pareho yung binili ko this time. Sobrang cute na to! Mini Nutellas. Ayan, meron pa ako dito. Basta ang cute nila. Dahan-dahan ko lang siya ihagis to. Also pala, I'm gonna give them itong mga shower gels from Issy. Actually, most of my tropa, guys. And eto kasi unisex to. I'm also going to add a 100 note. Nandito din yung mga pa-prices ko sa game mamaya. So, ayan. Mag-wrap lang ako, guys, kasi alam ko malapit na sila. So, let's go! Done with my letters.
Monte Ales. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Mataya.
Dito nakawala.
Hindi niya daw ako magdala. Bakit parang ihagis mo sa akin?
Bakit pa gano'n yung agay? Hindi sa lapat. Guys, pag yan nakakatawa.
Go!
Ay, tao siya nag-iisa. Naghahanap ng
Go! Ay, ala ko talaga.
Oh my God.
Take it, Joy. Sorry. Kaya naman si Joy. Aray! Dalawa na pala na uwak.
Gusto niyo ba?
Howdy!
Kaya nga eh.
We're gonna build this without decoration. Shocks 15 minutes na SD card ko. In 15 minutes!
Okay, ayun yung challenge.
Oh my God!
So far, this is the look of our house.
Okay, so we're here at Cooper's, dito rin sa SM Mega Mall, and I decided to grab breakfast here kasi for sure walang kain ulit kami the whole day kasi parang yesterday, ganun yung nangyari, very limited lang yung time namin kumain. I decided to grab breakfast here and I'll also do some work kasi ang dami kong na-miss nitong Thursday and Friday. So magka-catch up lang ako before mag-start yung araw talaga kasi it's pretty early pa naman. So, okay, we got our food. This is our breakfast for today.
I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend, and I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's too hard to explain, but the worst is the pain when you pronounce my name.
Call for the flowers. Alright, it's another day. It's December 23. Today is a shopping day kasi usually namin ginagawa yung gift exchange. Ang goal is makahanap ng main gift sa nabunot ko. I'll also buy yung small gifts. Gonna be with my family pero maghihiwalay-hiwalay kami guys kasi syempre malalaman namin if sumama kami sa isa't isa. So, yeah. So, come with me today. I'm gonna bring my new camera, yung DJI Osmo Nano para makapag-vlog ako sa mall. So, yun. I'm so excited. Bubuk lang sila ng Grab doon. Bag for today, it's from J. It's a Korean brand. So, yun. Medyo last minute na Christmas shopping. Just see you guys sa mall. Since black yung item ko, okay sana to. Kasi it's too big. But it smells good. Photo booth kami, guys. Video din pala siya, guys. Merry Christmas! Today is December 25. It's 10:02 a.m. Merry Christmas! And actually, in a bit, i-film na naman yung Christmas gift exchange namin for 2025. So, if bago kayo sa channel ko, so basically, on our main channel, Princess and Nicole, yearly kami nag-gift exchange with my family. So, naging tradition na rin siya. So, natutuwa ako kasi may mga nakita kong comments from my TikTok and from our main channel na inaabangan nyo talaga siya every year. So yun ang agenda this morning and I'm gonna try my best na ma-upload agad siya today then or tonight at 6 p.m. So, wish me luck kasi same day edit ang gagawin. Anyway, let's quickly do my makeup. Mabilis ang makeup na lang. I'm gonna link all the products that I'll be using sa description box. Pero, guys, ibubudol ko lang kayo saglit. This is not sponsored. Pero, grabe, ang ganda na itong concealers na to. These are from Estee Lauder. Double Wear Stay in Place concealers. Grabe, may tumalo na guys sa NARS concealer ko. Ito talaga. As in, this is so lightweight. Pero high coverage siya. Okay siya for everyday. Okay din siya if you have events. I used the shade 1W for my under eyes para ma-brighten siya. Pero for my marks, as you can see, may mga marks ako. Itong shade 2N. And then, OG pa rin talaga itong sponge na hindi na kailangan basain. This is so handy kasi, let's be honest, nakakatamad magbasa ng sponge every time. Actually, gusto ko rin medyo bilisan kasi gusto ko mag-film ng TikTok bago kami mag-film. Kasi this year, hindi lang gift exchange yung gagawin namin. Magpapalaro din si Daddy. And ako rin pala. So, may games kami in between. Blush is done. Before, di ko to ginagawa. Alam niyo yung Dalba spray, the OG spray serum. Diba usually, sinaspray ko lang talaga to sa mukha ko. But I found out na you can also spray it sa brushes. Kuha ko ng blush. Hindi ko siya muna sa hands ko para ma-diffuse lang yung blush. And then, spray ulit. And then, apply nyo na sa cheeks nyo. Nagiging creamy yung blush, tapos nadadagdagan ng glow. Ang galing! Late discovery ko lang yun, guys. I'm pretty sure may gumagawa na nun, pero ngayon ko lang siya discover sa sarili ko. Kasi kahit anong spray serum naman gagana, but I just use this one. From Dalba. Sobrang ubus na siya, guys. Kailangan ko nang bumili ng bago. And then, nag-lashes na din ako. Ito yung ginamit ko na clusters. I will just leave it below. It's from TikTok. Okay siya. Ito din yung ginamit ko nung nag-Japan kami. Glue-free lashes sila. So, para lang mas maging natural yung blush. Brightening concealer again. Here lang sa gitna. Para maging smooth yung transition ng concealer and blush. Nakikita ko ginagawa rin ito ng mga makeup artists. Okay, and then powder time. Still, my favorite talaga, Mercier. Wala talaga akong makitang local brand na nakakatalo sa coverage nito. Kung gaano siya ka-lightweight sa skin. Airbrush finish talaga siya whenever you use it. And then yung gantong puff yung gagamitin nyo para super flawless talaga. Lalo na sa under eyes, nawawala yung lines ko, guys. Sobrang ganda ng powder na. I just wish na hindi siya, I don't think this is acne safe eh. Kasi I searched online na it's not really acne safe. So if you have sensitive skin, parang it's better to try other powders. Then lipstick for today from Estee Lauder as well. Ito yung shade niya. Hey, done with my makeup. Close up ng makeup ko for today. Surprisingly, I love it kahit nagmamadali tayo.
Okay, makeup for today. Makeup by Nicole.
Concealer today.
Hi to the vlog. Lagyan, siyempre.
Diba? Parang wala ka na ayaw. For Mudra's blush.
Ikaw naman.
Yan. For Mudra's bronzer. From Sunny's also.
Nasaan yun? Doon sa color palette.
Hindi makakita yung damit.
Pangit ka, mama. Ikaw lang magkakaiba. Maganda siya, pero
Sama sa suotin mo.
Ayan ba mo?
Bunot ko, I see. Nicole!
Ayan, parang showbox. Ay, Hi, sir! Ulos ko si... Sponsored by...
Oh.
Nakakayak naman!
Merry Christmas! But this year kasi, we did a separate vlog ng aming Christmas party and small gift.
It's 9:07 p.m. Finally, I'm done editing. Grabe, since 3 p.m. ako nandito, guys. Make sure to watch our exchange gift, guys. Now, time to watch it with the whole family. Kasi every year din naman ito ginagawa. Sabay-sabay naman siyang papanoorin. Gonna watch a movie today with the whole fam. We're watching Call Me Father. Mudra, say hi to my vlog. Your message to Vice Ganda.
Vice ganda. I like to go there. In Wawa. Ay, Wawa.
Showtime!
Though we tried to make it work, it was not very likely. In the moment the sun came up.
With my guitar, I left the town. I drew my heart, I let it wall. But I felt things were better now. I belong in your arms. Got a paper cup full of wine. I played a Charles Bridge on the side. With your hand resting under mine. Hope I'm not so out of line. You